I need to admit something. AI has helped me move faster. It helps me draft faster, summarize faster, think faster, and get unstuck faster. But AI has also given me answers. They were completely wrong. Wrong date, wrong assumption, a summary that sounded polished but skipped the one detail that actually mattered. And I think this is where a lot of professionals get stuck. The problem isn't that AI gets things wrong. The problem is that most people don't have a recovery system when it does. So they just trust it too quickly, or they get frustrated and say, see, AI doesn't work. Both reactions miss the point. KPMG and University of Melbourne found that 56% of employees report making mistakes in their work because of AI. And the 2026 Work AI Index puts a number on the hidden cleanup work. Workers spend 6.4 hours a week checking, rerunning, debugging, and cleaning up AI output. So AI mistakes are not rare edge cases anymore. They are part of working with AI. Here's the better way to think about it. When AI gets something wrong, don't treat it as an end of process. Treat it as a signal. Something was missing. Maybe the source was unclear. Maybe the instructions were too loose. Maybe context was too old. Maybe the human review step was not strong enough. In this episode, I want to give you a simple recovery loop. 4 steps. Pause, check, fix, prevent. Step 1. Pause. When something feels off, don't send it. Don't copy it into the email. Don't drop it into the deck. Stop for a moment and label it for what it is. A draft, not a final answer, not a decision, a draft. That sounds obvious, but this is where mistakes sneak in. AI gives you something polished, and polished get finished. But polished isn't the same as correct. Step 2. Check. Don't check everything with the same intensity. Check the parts that create risk. Names, numbers, dates, sources, decisions, commitments. Anything that could embarrass the team if it's wrong. And here's the rule. I would keep it in bold. AI can't be its own source. You can use AI to organize your review, but the verification has to come from real source of truth, the spreadsheet, the contract, the meeting notes, the ticket, the policy, or the person who owns the work. Step 3. Fix. Yes, fix the output. But don't stop there. Fix the reason the mistake happened. If AI used the wrong date, maybe your prompt didn't tell it which source was current. If it wrote a wrong generic answer, maybe you didn't give it your team's example. If it missed the risk, maybe your instruction never said lead with the blocker before wins. So after the correct output, write one quick error note. What was wrong? What source proved it? What rule would prevent it next time? The little note is how you turn a mistake into a better workflow. Step 4. Prevent. This is where real value is. Most people correct the mistake and move on. But if you do that, the same mistake comes back next week. Instead, update the system. Add the rule to your prompt. Add the verified example to your library. Add a source requirement. Add a simple line that says, if the answer isn't in the source, say you don't know. Let me make this practical. Imagine AI drafts a leadership update and says, the project is on track for Friday. It sounds good, but you know there was a vendor approval issue. So you pause, you check the project tracker and the latest email thread. You fix the update to say, we are mostly on track, one risk. Vendor approval is still pending. Priya owns the follow up by Thursday. Then you prevent the mistake by adding one rule for next time. Always lead with blockers before wins and include the owner and deadline for every risk. Same task, better output, stronger system. A few mistakes to avoid. First, don't blame AI and move on. AI was wrong isn't a recovery plan. Second, don't fix silently. If you fix the answer but never update your instruction, example, or checklist, you are choosing to repeat the same cleanup later. Third, don't ask AI to verify AI without source material. That's like asking someone to grade their own homework without answer key. And for the high risk work, for example, client deliverable, financial numbers, legal language, security details, HR decisions, make sure a human owner reviews it before it goes anywhere. Your action step this week is simple. Take one AI output that was wrong or almost wrong. Don't just delete it. Write one short error note. What went wrong? What source fixed it? And what rule prevents it next time? I also created a simple checklist for this. It's called the AI Error Recovery Checklist. It walks you through pause, check, fix, and prevent so you can use it the next time AI gives you something that looks right but feels off. The checklist is in the show notes or in description. It's free. AI getting something wrong doesn't mean AI is useless. It means your judgment still matters. And real advantage isn't trusting AI blindly. It's knowing how to recover when it gets things wrong. Pause, check, fix, prevent. Stay sharp, stay ahead. See you soon.